already studied previously about Rutherford's experiment that postulated and established the existence of atomic nucleus. Geiger and Marsden then performed the experiment of scattering of alpha particles from thin gold foils, which revealed that the distance of closest approach to a gold nucleus of an alpha particle of kinetic energy 5.5 mega electron volt is about 4 times 10 to the power minus 14 meter. By performing scattering experiments in which fast electrons instead of alpha particles to bombard targets made up of various laments, the sizes of nuclei of various laments have been accurately measured. It has been found that a nucleus of mass number A has a radius r equals r naught a to the power 1 by 3, where r naught equal to 1.2 times 10 to the power minus 15 meter, and A is the mass number of the lament. Volume of the nucleus would be proportional to the third power of r, which would thus be proportional to A. That is, volume of nucleus is proportional to A. Since density equals mass by volume, the density of nucleus would thus be a constant, independent of mass number A. The density of nuclear matter is approximately 2.3 times 10 to the power 17 kg per meter cube. This density is very large compared to ordinary matter, say water, which is 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. This is understandable as we already know that most of the atom is empty. Ordinary matter consisting of atoms has a large amount of empty space. But in contrast, the nucleus is extremely compact and dense. So, let's summarize what we have learned so far.
Manorama Horizon. Learning made simple.